The ARTFLAMM powerful grill torch gun delivers a strong, focused flame that quickly ignites charcoal and wood, making barbecue and campfire setup much faster than traditional methods. Its flame control dial allows smooth adjustment from a gentle orange flame to an intense blue jet, so you can fine-tune the heat for everything from searing steaks to light fire starting. The torch feels solid and weighty in the hand, with a metal construction that comes across as more durable and substantial than many lightweight plastic grill torches. Continuous ignition and a hands-free flame once started make it convenient for longer tasks like preheating a grill, lighting a fireplace, or managing an outdoor fire pit. Beyond grilling, this torch proves versatile for outdoor chores such as spot burning weeds, starting campfires, and other jobs where a reliable, concentrated flame is useful. Its combination of power, adjustability, and sturdy build quality makes it a practical upgrade for home cooks, backyard grillers, and campers who want a serious flame tool rather than a novelty gadget.